Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X in Slate Blue Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 41,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, DUAL-PANE panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number P6736.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.